Guys, welcome back to the channel here, Justin's Motorsport. Everything starts to dream. And in today's video is, well, today is the day I get to put my summer rims back onto the car. And also it's the one out of 3 videos of the 3 things that this car, my Corolla, needs for maintenance. There's the front brakes, also the transmission flush, and also the coolant flush. So I'm going to do those over time. So in today's, like I said, in today's is just going to wash the car, wash my rims, take it to Minute Muffler, get the front brakes all done, and with the new rims put on. And yeah, I'm excited to put these on. That means winter is finally, hopefully, over. So without ado, I'll see you guys at the car wash. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that little part of the car wash and all that. So I'm just going to go on to the ring road and dry the car off. Easiest way. Then, well, after around 10 o'clock, I'll meet up with you. I'll be back around there around 10. That's when the car goes into minute muffler to, yeah. It is 60 on here. Forgot about that. Yeah. So, alrighty. So, as mentioned about the three things the car needs: the brakes, the transmission, and coolant flush. So, like I said, I'll be getting those all done over the next 2 months. So, like I said, the brakes are going to get done. So, I'm going to get them to recondition the rotors again, like they did to my rear. Not again, but this is the first time the brakes are going to be reconditioned on the front, because they did the rear brakes on the back. They reconditioned them with new pads and everything, so it saved me at least about half of the price. So I'm going to ask them to get the front brakes done the same way, recondition the rotors, new pads, and then after that should get me for another 3-4 years. It all depends on how hard driving I do with the braking system and all that. Still a lot of sand and dirt along the side of the road still and all that. I know the street sweepers were down Albert Street and Broad to clean up, so they'll be all good for the big cruise that I'm going to do tonight once I get the rims on after the car gets back from getting the brakes done and that. So yeah, it's a nice day. It's supposed to be like 20 degrees today, so gonna enjoy the weather and a morning cruise. Of course, I worked all night, so I got to stay up, and that's all. Got my gamer subs here, so yeah, that'll keep me awake for the next couple of more hours or so, and then yeah, just go to bed at night, I guess, or try. Oh, put up the speed camera here. Yes, there's lots of there's kind of still people going to work and everything, so yeah. Letting the guy in front of me to change lanes, so somebody's over here can get it all. Yeah. So I'm pretty excited. So like next week I'll be going up to Saskatoon for the Dragons car show on Friday. Next Friday, actually, not today, next Friday, I'll be going up there to get some filming there and also get more practice with the gimbal that I got for Christmas and all that. Well, the wind dried off the car pretty quick, so that's a good sign. So yeah, we'll go down, finish the Ring Road Drive, and then we'll cruise down Albert Street, and then on the way home while I wait to go to Minute Muffler for the brakes and all that here. So I'll catch up with you when I get to Albert Street. Hey guys, so I'm back here. So yeah, I'm here at Minute Muffler here. So yeah, we'll go drop the car off, and yeah, then I'll catch up with you guys in a couple of more hours or so.
A few moments later. Hey
guys, so I'm back. Yeah, so the front brakes are done. I couldn't get the rotors reconditioned because they were pretty rotten. Like on the inside of the rotors, they were rotten, rusted right out. So I had to get some new rotors, new pads. So now the car is good. The brake pads had like less than 5% padding on them. So I really pushed these brakes. But yeah, the car feels a lot better now. It brakes a lot better now, way better. And I got the rims on and stuff. So yeah, so that's pretty. So it cost me about $600, about $595 and everything, taxes and all that, which is, I mean, I was open to that, but it's still cheaper than the dealership, because the dealership would have probably ended up charging me almost $800-900. So yeah, so the car's up with this maintenance now, so that's 1 out of 3 done. So there's 2 more things, like I said, that have to be done on the car. And there's a lot of cars coming out, and it's busy in that. But yeah, so I'm gonna head home, get some sleep, because I've been up all night working. And I will, if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, turn on notifications, help out with the algorithm and all that. And Justin's more, so everything starts with a dream. And I will leave you with some B-roll of the car with the new rims on it. So that'll do. Peace.